Let us do a quick recap of what we have covered till now. We discussed what is a bill of exchange. What is a bill of exchange? A bill of exchange is an instrument in writing signed by the maker on a certain date, directing another person to make payment of a certain amount on a certain date. It must be accepted by the person on whom it is drawn to make it a valid bill of exchange. It is a legal document. It can be endorsed. There are three parties to a bill of exchange: the person who makes the bill of exchange, the maker or the drawer, which is usually the person who has sold the goods, the person on whom the bill is drawn, who is the drawee. He is the person who has bought the goods, the buyer. He is the debtor. He is the person who has to pay the money and therefore is payer. And there could be a third party, that is the person to whom the payment has to be made. Usually the person to whom the payment is to be made may be the same as the person who made the bill. But it is possible to have another person. So X may direct Y to make payment to Z. So there could be three parties to a bill of exchange. We also defined a promissory note, which is again an instrument in writing containing an unconditional promise to pay a certain sum of money on a certain date and signed by the maker. This is a promissory note. It is a promise and therefore it is made by the payer, by the person who has to make the payment. Therefore, in this case, the drawer and the payer are the same. What was the need for bill of exchange and promissory notes? They facilitate credit transactions. They are proof of debt. They can be used to raise finance. They can be easily transferred. They can be used to raise finance since they can be discounted with the bank. They can be transferred to other people and therefore they are negotiable instruments. The Bill of Exchange and Promissory Note are covered by the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. Though as far as accounting entries are concerned, the Bill of Exchange and Promissory Note is treated similarly. Both serve the same functions. There are some basic differences in its structure of a Bill of Exchange and the Promissory Note. A Bill of Exchange is an order to pay. A promissory note is a promise to pay. A bill of exchange is made by the creditor, a promissory note by the debtor. There could be three parties to a bill of exchange, whereas in case of a promissory note, there are only two parties. In case of dishonor of bill of exchange, the drawer of the bill of exchange must be given a notice. He must be intimated of the dishonor, but that is not required in case of a promissory note. We also discussed what a foreign bill was. A foreign bill basically is a bill which is drawn in one country but payable in another.